Well, as the rain moves out, the big story now is the bitter cold air poised to move in. This is some of the coldest Arctic air moving in locally that we've had all season long. And with that and all that runoff from the rain, and still some drizzle going on, you got to watch out for some black ice, especially at higher elevations this evening, but then everywhere late tonight through tomorrow morning. And if you're going to be traveling tomorrow morning, use caution. If it looks wet on the roadways, more than likely it's ice. So be very, very careful. On top of that, dangerously cold wind chill tomorrow morning. As always, below zero in some areas, other areas single digits. And the temperatures will be single digits near 10 by early Tuesday morning. So be sure, check on your friends and neighbors who may have lost power. Make sure they've got some way to stay warm tonight. Bring your pets inside and time to protect those pipes. It's that pipe bursting weather that we're going to see the next several days. Now, right now we're at 42. Not too bad in the city, but just west of the plateau. That cold air just about to sweep on in. You can see Crossville already back down below freezing. Pikeville just above, and 36 in Whitwell. There's that northwesterly wind that's going to shove our temperatures downward fairly rapidly throughout the night. Now, again, the wind will do some drying on surfaces, but not all because of all the runoff from the rainfall, which is well over 1.5 to 2 inches in many spots. Getting a lot of dense fog also, some drizzle in that fog layer, and where it's below freezing, that could cause freezing drizzle, making things a little slippery in spots at higher elevations. That fog will dissipate a bit once the wind picks up. And we're seeing those gusts picking up from the northwest, 15, 20 miles an hour. That'll mix the air a little bit more, but that's also going to create that bitter cold wind chill overnight and by first thing in the morning. Now, the rain was quite heavy north and west of the city. Some of these amounts got up and over the 2-inch mark, so soaking downpours. And thankfully, again, as temperatures rose overnight and near the day today, it stopped the icing and mainly was just that, just rain. But again, just that runoff that could lead back to some icing later on tonight. Amounts average between just under an inch to the east, but again, showers still ongoing, but pushing away farther away to the east. We're still seeing some patchy light areas of drizzle. You can see where it's mixed in there a little bit. It may be freezing drizzle where temperatures are below freezing. Might even see some flurries flying by in some areas overnight. Not worried about accumulation from that, but that freezing drizzle early evening, that is some concern. We go overnight and by morning, skies are going to remain mainly cloudy. Some snow showers far off over the eastern mountains, but look how cold it's going to be. That's not the wind chill. That's the actual air temperature. Low to mid-teens, and throughout the day, temperatures don't even get above freezing. We'll go through an extended time well below freezing. The coldest morning being Tuesday. The winds go a little bit lighter. Temperatures by morning, upper single digits to around 10. I've got it around 10. This model's a little bit colder, but either way, when it gets to that level, it feels all about the same, right? We go through Tuesday afternoon, temperatures will get just barely above freezing. Some higher elevated spots, it may take till Wednesday to get above freezing. And temperatures are going to stay well below average throughout the week. Here's the other factor to watch for, the wind chill tomorrow morning. The combination of temperatures of the teens and the gusty northwest wind will make it feel like single digits and below zero, especially north and west of the city. Wind chill throughout the day tomorrow, staying mainly in the teens with temperatures for highs only into the 20s. So I've got us weather alert tomorrow and again on Tuesday. It's because of that black ice threat overnight and first thing in the morning, bitter cold wind chill, and then the bitter cold start to Tuesday. We'll just barely get above freezing, maybe up around 40 Wednesday, but after that, look at that. More surge of cold air arrives. We're going to stay way below average most of the week, with highs staying mainly in the 30s and most morning lows staying cold in the teens.
All right, David, thanks so much. News Channel